possible to have siblings. It's possible to have people that ozalwa nabo bangabelievile kuwe, bangakholelwa kuwe, bangakholelwa ephupheni lakho. But that doesn't mean balicisha iphupho, right? They did not understand ukuthi le phupho ele family keep the whole family out of poverty, out of a situation. Instead bayibuka ngamehlo athi uJoseph ufuna ukusiphatha nje, and he's just a small boy ukuthi angasiphatha. Bese kuthiwa they hated him even more for dreaming. And futhi awekho bad wonke ama siblings. I want to say that also ukuthi they wanted to kill him, ne? uRuben wathi no, masingambulali. And Judah also said no, ukuthi simbulale ngcono simthengise ngoba manje he's our flesh, this guy. So ngasho ngithi bona badlala irole negative, but at the same time we see God's orchestration, God's providence, because we don't believe in coincidence. Ukuthi akwaba coincidence ukuthi ama-Ishmaelites. No, it was God's plan ukuthi Joseph aphelele Egypt. Unfortunately, the siblings were the ones who were used ukuthi betray, and then bamthengise as aphelele Egypt.